Hello everyone. If you find this and currently someone on your mind, this is your reading. This person, the person currently on your mind, this person with whom you are in relationship, this person wants to confess to you something. Let's see what they wants to confess to you. If you want to book your personal reading and remedies with me, you can contact me through my email ID. For more details, you can check the description box. You can join for relationship healing and union workshop that is going to start from 26th April tomorrow. Today is the last day for booking. So if you are interested, you can contact me through my email ID manifestyourdream091 at the gmail.com. Let's see. Okay, the person currently on your mind, they want to confess to you. Look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. Wow. So basically this person is very romantic. Okay, they want to confess to you like if you both are in no contact, but they want to confess like look deep within your heart. You will feel this person's presence on your heart. So basically, I'm getting this is a soulmate or a twin flame energy here. Say this. Say this cards. Twin flames, definitely. For some of you, definitely you both are in a twin flame journey. Okay, this person is your twin flame. Even though you both are physically apart, but spiritually you both are united for a lifetime. Okay. Yes. Let's see what's this person at this point wants to confess to you. What's going on their mind. Okay. How I forget all my memories with you, how I change everything. I want you only. So basically, they can't forget all the past memories with you. They share their life with you because I'm getting you both are in love with each other for a very long time, but for some reason you both are in no contact currently. Okay, but this person wants to confess they can't forget about those memories with you. Okay, so basically they want you back in your life. I can't deny my feelings for you. I miss our conversation. Yes, basically, this person can't deny their real feelings for you, okay, because they miss the conversation with you. I can't wait to see you next time. This person want to meet you badly. This person want to see you. I tried to run away from you, but something stops me. Okay, so what I'm saying, this is a twin flame soulmate connection. So definitely runner and chaser. So you try to chase this person. You want their attention. You beg them for their attention, and you propose them. But this person just running from you. Okay, but at this point they want to confess. They try. To run away from you, but something that stopped them because you both are in a twin flame journey, soul to soul connected. Okay, that's why they can't move on from you. It is you. You are the one in my heart. Yes, you are the one in their heart. You are the source of my happiness in my dull life. Let's see what they want to confess more. Okay. After meeting you, I became more spiritual. Something has changed on me. I feel so peaceful. What I'm saying, this is a spiritual connection. Even though you both are physically apart, but spiritually and soul level, you both are united with each other. Yes, definitely, this is the confirmation of this reading. You both are in a twin flame journey or higher level of soulmate journey. Yes, after meeting you, this person become more spiritual and they want to confess like something changed. In their life. Okay, okay, so hi, miss you. 12 a.m. So you can receive some kind of communication text message from this person like hi. At 12 a.m. this could be a significant time for you. Let's see with tarot. Six of Pentacles. This person want to balance this connection basically. Okay, because I'm getting like you are like a giver in this connection. You give your love, your respect, your emotion, but this person in return, nothing you receive. So at this point, balance and harmony is coming. You also see like this person's also invest their time, their emotion in this connection. Okay, so already this person made up their mind. So 50-50, I'm getting like you give and you receive. I'm getting balanced energy. Okay, as you give you receive love. 10 of Wands. Yes, because the bad cycle is now chapter is end. King of Cups. Okay, Four of Cups. What I'm saying, In past you propose them, but they ignore. Okay, they just act as a runner. They try to running from you. Okay, they don't accept their emotion for you, but at this point this person is coming with King of Cups, solid commitment that is coming. Okay, so be ready, this person is coming. And I'm giving Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Aries, Leo energy strong. 4, 6, 10 could be significant dates or number. Okay, claim this reading.